Hi guys, today we have Samsung Note 8 ear speaker and charging port flex cable replacement. As you can see, we have the charging port and the ear speaker. We need to open the device from the back. The Note 8 can be opened from the back. The back is made from glass. You need to heat it at 2 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds and then you can push. And then you can put the plastic tool and then we can remove the back glass. As you can see, the back glass is broken. The customer didn't want to replace it, so I'm going to remove it with caution. I don't want to make more damage to the glass, so I had to be patient to remove it all well as it is. In the back we have fingerprint flex cable. It's on the top right side. Don't put the plastic tool beside the proximity sensor. It's very important not to cut the sensor proximity sensor. You can go forward to see the exact location of the proximity sensor, so then you can avoid putting the plastic tool in that position. As you all know, the Note 8 is a water resistant phone, so when you open the phone will be no longer water resistant. This is a serious information. After the phone is opened, you can't put it in water anymore. As you can see, the operation took too long time. I just wanted you to show you the full tutorial. It's in Speed X4. All you need is to be patient and remove it with caution. As we all know, the adhesive under the back glass is made from strong adhesive, and to remove it we need to heat the back glass at 2 Celsius degree to remove it easily. I will meet you in few seconds. The back glass is removed. Now remove SIM card tray. It's important. Now we can remove all screws from the board. After that, remove the pin. As you can see, the flex cable of the proximity sensor is on that location, so be caution while you are removing it. Now remove the loudspeaker. It's with plastic cover. Remove it. This is the loudspeaker. And now remove the top plastic shield. Contains the wireless charging. It's better for you to removing using plastic tools. Unplug the battery. Unplug home button flex cable. Unplug volume flex cable. Remove antennas. Remove the 4 screws that tight the charging port flex cable. There is 4 screws to remove. Unplug screen flex cable. Unplug both cameras in the front. There is one black screw in the board, remove it. Unplug power button. Now we can remove the board, but we have to remove the charging port flex cable from the back. Now we are going to remove the charging port flex cable. The audio jack is separated with flex cable, remove it. Now you can remove the charging port flex cable. Now take down the ear speaker and replace it. As you can see, the ear speaker is damaged with small tiny piece of iron. After that, put the two pieces in position, then you can assemble the phone, and that's it. If you have any questions, just write it down on the comments below. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, don't forget to support the channel by like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! It's better for you to power on the device and power the charging port flex cable and the ear speaker before continue assemble the phone back. No need to show you the test, but I have already tested and all was working perfectly. After the test, you can assemble the device. Remove unnecessary adhesive. Clean the back lenses of the camera. Now you have to put the fingerprint flex cable on position, and after that you need to restart the device, and after that you need to test before full assemble. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.